In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Drive for desktop, especially beneficial for uploading large files. Many of us have experienced the frustration of browser timeouts when trying to upload large files through a web browser. Fortunately, there's a more reliable and efficient solution using Google Drive for desktop. This application simplifies the process, ensuring your files sync smoothly and securely. To get started, the first step you need to take is downloading Google Drive for desktop. Visit the official Google Drive download page. You will recognize it immediately by its clear download button labeled Download Drive for Desktop. Click on it to begin downloading the installation file to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded installation file on your system and run it to initiate the setup process. The installation is straightforward, and you'll be guided through each step with clear on-screen instructions. Simply follow these prompts to successfully install Google Drive for desktop on your PC or Mac. After the installation is complete, an exciting feature of Google Drive for desktop is that it automatically creates a dedicated folder on your computer, making file transfers incredibly convenient. This folder acts as a direct link to your Google Drive cloud storage. It's like having an integrated file cabinet within your computer system, simplifying how you manage and transfer files. Now comes one of the most useful aspects of Google Drive for desktop, the ability to transfer files by just dragging and dropping. You no longer need to worry about browser timeouts, which often happen when trying to upload large files like movies, raw video files, or backups directly through a web browser. Simply open the newly created Google Drive folder on your computer, drag your large files, even those over 10 GB, and drop them into this folder. The files will automatically start syncing in the background, efficiently uploading to your Google Drive cloud without any disruptions. This method is particularly beneficial for those who deal with large media files or need to back up substantial amounts of data regularly. It leverages the robust infrastructure of Google's cloud services, ensuring that your files are secure, accessible, and easier to manage. The convenience of having them sync automatically means you can continue with other tasks on your computer while the upload completes seamlessly in the background. In conclusion, using Google Drive for desktop is an excellent way to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity, especially if you frequently handle large files. Follow these steps today and experience the ease and efficiency of managing your files without the hassles of browser-based uploads. Thank you for watching and happy uploading.